how to copy your Instagram profile link. Welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show how you can copy your Instagram profile link. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone. First of all, go to your profile page, then tab on Edit Profile. Here you have to copy your username. After this, close your Instagram application now. Open up a browser. First type instagram.com/ and now paste your username here. Come here, tap on this drop-down box on your browser. Now tap here to copy your Instagram profile link here. Now here is the profile link to your Instagram account. Now if I paste it here, it'll redirect me to my Instagram account. This is how you can find or create an Instagram profile link. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.